Hi friends, this is my new gadgets for blogging YouTube channel. This is a tripod I got on Amazon. So what are the features I am going to tell you. It is basically coming with the ball head. This is the ball head basically. So what is the use of it I will tell you. And then here you can rotate this one ball angle. So many times what happens basically I can mount like this and take tabletop shots uh, basically with cold shoe mounting also. I can mount it here my microphone or maybe lighting device. So vertically also I can fix it like this here, and if not there I can fix it like this, rotate like this. So 80-degree, 360-degree I can rotate, so there is no issue. And other than that, 90-degree is most important tabletop when you are unboxing or when you are want to have a explanation of your own drawing, or maybe kitchen when you are preparing something, you need a tabletop mount. So many times, so 360-degree we call it. This is not actually vertical, and if we fix vertical camera and we tilt it to horizontally like this, it is not a 360-degree. You are rotating, agreed, the camera you are rotating in one most probably 360-degree you can say, but this 360-degree doesn't add any value. So I need even like this. So many times, so this is needed. So here in this one, very good advantage is that, so the clamps are there, so you can shorten the clamps like this. So you can keep it like this, handheld, take the video properly. So very good, or you can put it on the table. So at any degree, any rotation. So even this also here, this also you can rotate like here. So this is also one option. So it cannot move, it will be like this only. If you more angle to the tripod, so you have to move, and this will be tilting like this. So very good one. This is aluminum ball head, so you can fix it at any here any you can rotate this one, even maybe like this. So very handy. So just I got it on Amazon, just 400 rupees. So I think this is more this is very good mini tripod, and they are copied from basically Manfrotto, which is 10 times costlier than this. So for beginners you can use this. Maybe initially who are blogging with phone, especially for phone, up to 1 kg only you can put the load on this, not more than that. Only iPhone or maybe action camera it is helpful. If you want to put a DSLR, it is not worth. It is not. It doesn't take a load. Not worth. It is not worth means it doesn't take a load. So for which you should have at least 2.5 kg tripod, or maybe Gorilla One, or maybe basic any this thing. So hope this is very good instrument for the initial bloggers or YouTubers, or maybe sometimes you need a tripod, so you can put it on table or any places. You can selfie videos, especially many people have habit of dancing, or maybe you can put it there. You can put the camera, tilt the camera like this, so any degree you can any degree you can tilt the camera here.